our JTA open house. Welcome back, Trojans. We are so happy to see you and glad you're back. This is our open house. This is just a time for teachers and students to meet each other, and students can get their schedules. This is really beneficial for the kids so that they aren't as nervous coming back that first day. This is also a great time for parents to also not be as nervous because they can get their kids' bus schedules here. They can talk to nutrition. They can talk to our guidance counselors. Kids can sign up for sports. And just all kinds of other things going on here. You can see we are a flurry of activity, and behind me we have our PTSA. They're signing folks up for our parent-teacher-student organization, and we're auctioning off a golden ticket tonight, and they're selling school supplies, and we're just getting everybody ready for the first day. We will see everybody on Wednesday, August 9th, and we are looking forward to seeing you.